Hey guys, today I'm here with Tommy T from Tommy T's Adventures. I'm JD with JD's Waterworld, and today Tommy and I are taking a look at some awesome products from our friends over at Waves RX. So Waves RX actually hooked Tommy and I up with their complete PWC anchoring system a few months ago, right Tommy? Whether you've got a Kawasaki or a Yamaha, it really doesn't matter. Anchoring your ski the proper way is really easy with these products from Waves RX. So let's take a look at what Tommy's done to his tri-anchor here. Tommy does a lot of offshore fishing, and I'll let him tell you a little bit about what he's done to his tri-anchor.
Yeah, I added a 4-foot chain on here just so it's easier to anchor when you're offshore fishing. And you don't need it. The way this is designed, you don't need it, but it's easier when you're in deeper water. You don't have to have as much line out.
And then you've got the Waves RX AnchorMate bungee line with this as well, right?
Exactly.
And so this bungee line here really helps keep the anchor seated. That the line itself absorbs incoming wake and chop, and so the anchor stays seated. So I'll help you here. I'll hook this onto the front of your ski, just like that.
Yep.
There we go.
And then you just toss it out, and it'll lock itself in position.
So as Tommy just showed you, this is the Waves RX tri-anchor. Now a lot of people have asked me, they've said, oh, what's the difference between that and a box anchor? Well, a box anchor doesn't fold up this compact. This is perfect for personal watercraft, for transporting it. So we're just gonna pop this out like this, and these go together. This little cam right here is gonna pull right up, and you're gonna release. And there you go. So just hook that onto the front of your ski, and it's as easy as that. You can see that the lines are taut, the skis are anchored, they're not going to bash into each other here at the sandbar. And so we're going to show you another awesome product. This is part of the complete Waves RX anchoring system. This is the 12-inch anodized beach spike.
For one, it's not as long or as big or bulky as the other ones that I've used, and it's also lighter.
Yeah, I mean,
doesn't take much space in your storage.
And look at this angle here. This is patented. This isn't just like some design from China. This is a patented design with a 15-degree angle. And when you set this in the sand, when your ski pulls on it like this, the anchor pivots like this. The design of this and these wings actually keep it planted in the sand. So let's get our skis hooked up on the stern, and we'll show you guys how easy these are to tether to the beach. So he's got that hooked to one of the attachment points there on the stern of the ski. That's where you'd basically hook your tie downs.
All right, I'm pulling this tight, trying to get it out of the water. And I'm gonna go ahead and set it in the ground. I put the rubber cover on this. You don't have to use it. I just put it on there just to protect it. And you step on it. That's it.
It's that easy, huh?
Yep.
And I'm gonna do the same with mine here. There you go. And again, these spike anchors can be used in the water, but you want to have the rope at this particular angle so that the spike functions the way it's designed to. All right, so here is a Kawasaki Ultra 310 and a Yamaha GP 1800, both anchored next to each other. Now, when you've got two high-end skis like this, the last thing you want them to do is bump into each other. And if we just had a line off the bow, the back of the ski would drift all around, right, Tommy? I mean, so here we've got the Waves RX AnchorMate bungees on the bow of our skis. Those are connected to our stainless steel tri-anchors. And then we've got our Waves RX beach spikes off the back. And you can see the way we've positioned them, we've left plenty of room between them so that if we have incoming tide or incoming wakes, the skis don't bash into each other. So what happens when a buddy shows up at the sandbar without an anchor? Well, luckily, Waves RX has a solution for that too. Check out the Waves RX Tri Fenders.